Hey there! In this short video, I'm going to show you how to manage a team in Krisp. Once you've created a team, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you'll be able to manage that team. Krisp comes with a 30-day free trial where you can create and manage a team of 50 seats. After that time, you'll need to add your credit card information and select either the monthly or yearly plan to continue using Krisp Teams. Coming back to the dashboard, you'll be able to see how many team members you've invited, how many of those team members have accepted your invite, how many people have logged into the Krisp app, and how many unassigned seats you have. You can simply click on the Invite Users button to invite more teammates, or you can click on Invite More Users right below the number of invited people. Alternatively, you can click on Invite User right next to the unassigned seats on your dashboard. Once invited, your teammates will receive an email asking them to accept your invitation, and once they do so, you will see their status as active on the team dashboard. You can resend invites directly from the status section of your team dashboard or by clicking Resend Invites below the Invites Not Accepted section. If team members who have accepted your invite have not installed and logged in with Krisp, you can send them login instructions directly from your dashboard. You can sort existing users by their role or find them using their email. If you would like to have all the information on your team members, you can download it in a CSV file. And if you would like to change the admin of your team, you can promote any active user to admin via your dashboard. The number of unassigned seats shows at the top of your dashboard, and if you don't want to add more teammates, you can click on Remove Unassigned Seats to keep your dashboard clean. You can also do this manually by clicking on Remove Seat in the drop-down menu of each unassigned seat. To change or remove users, click on the drop-down menu of an active user and unassign them the seat. This will free up the license to be used by a different team member. Alright, those are all the basic functions you need to manage a team in Krisp. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, please drop us a message at support@krisp.ai and we'll be sure to help you out. Thanks so much, and we'll see you soon.